A lot can change in a year. I'm saying goodbye to Michigan and heading back to New York City, ready for a fresh start, new opportunities, and a life I've been working toward. Let's get moving.
We are leaving on Thursday. Just gonna run into Target because I'm out of energy drinks and I'm gonna need them this week. This is definitely gonna be a week where we're gonna need some energy. So let's go into Target. Let's just like stock up on a couple of those. I'm also gonna see if they have my cat's cat food because they're running a little bit low, like nothing too crazy, but I don't want to have to like get it while we're on the road and stuff like that. So we're gonna look for cat food and we're gonna need some energy drinks. So let's go in and grab those. Okay, so I get the Rachel Ray cat food. Lily is a little picky when it comes to cat food. Ivy will eat anything. I don't see it though. I feel like I knew that they didn't have it, but I was just gonna check anyway. So that's fine. So I'll just have to run to Walmart at some point this week to get it because I also want to get some cat treats to make sure that we have plenty of those for the trip. To keep them a little happier.
It looks like they had just restocked on the energy drinks, so I'm gonna grab 2 or 3 of my favorite flavors. If you missed it, I did an entire video testing out every single flavor of Alani Nu, so I definitely know ball. So we'll stock up on these because they're on sale.
So this is what the basement's looking like. Everything that's mine that I'm taking is already upstairs, so all of this stuff is my mom's. I have some laundry to do. All of the drawers are empty. I just have to wrap up and bubble wrap my mirror and then my TV. I just have to finish up and do some cleaning. I want to deep clean the bathroom down here so my mom doesn't have to worry about that when she comes back. I mean, everything is packed except for the things I'm going to need for the next few days, which is really exciting. Let me take you guys upstairs really quick so you can see the guest room. This is the office, so all the boxes are in here, so it'll be super easy to just pop it right into the truck. We've got a little kitty cat over here. It's filled to the brim, but pretty much everything is up here except for just a couple furniture pieces, so I think it's going to make it so much easier. It's going to be really smooth sailing. I think it's going to be pretty quick. Fingers crossed. Good morning. I'm sorry the lighting is really bad because I've already unplugged everything. Today is Tuesday. Like I said, we're leaving on Thursday. So the plan today is my mom is getting her hair done this morning. We're gonna go do some shopping. So the things that we're planning to get today or that I want to get, guys, I feel like I have anxiety when it comes to spending money now because I've just never had a lot of money and I hate the idea of spending money now because I've been in so many situations where I'm broke, and I know so many people are in that situation right now currently. It's hopefully you guys can understand and empathize with me, but I really don't want to spend money, but these are things I have to get. Honestly, I probably wouldn't spend that much if I wasn't going to get an AC today. That's where the big ticket's going to be hitting, but we need an AC, We're going to go to my mom's hair appointment and then we're going to go shopping. So we're going to be going to Sam's Club because that's where I found an AC unit. That's $150, which really isn't that bad. But again, I just don't want to spend the money. AC unit, I'm going to get a lot of paper products from there. So I'm going to get a big pack of toilet paper, paper towel, and a box of trash bags. And it's just nice to have paper towels, toilet paper in bulk. Because again, that'll just last me a long time. And I want to get, what are they called? All-purpose wipes, like Clorox wipes. And then we're going to go to the dollar store where we're going to get some other cleaning supplies. And then I'm going to get some of my toiletries while we're there. There's a Dollar Tree in New York, which we'll definitely go explore. Because you guys know I love the Dollar Tree. And then I need to go to Walmart because I need to get more cat food and cat litter and cat treats for the kitty cats. We are doing really well. I showed you guys the basement. I did my laundry last night. That's on the bed, just hanging out. So I need to put that away. I also need to bubble wrap my standalone mirror, this mirror for my vanity, and I'm going to wait for my TV for one more day. Actually, maybe not because we're packing everything up tomorrow. Honestly, out of everything that we're doing, so I don't know if I really told you guys, but I'm packing up all my stuff here. We're getting a truck here and packing that up tomorrow. And then once we get to New York, we are having piece of cake
unload the truck. So they even offered just an unloading option. I didn't know how we were going to find movers that just did a labor instead of like actually moving me. They do that. So they're going to be unloading the truck for us. That is on the agenda today. So I'm going to go upstairs, get some breakfast, and I will see you when it's time for us to shop. Dollar Tree. Okay, I really like all my cleaning stuff here and some extra toiletries. First thing is some wall plugs. Get a couple of these. Cotton and linen or Hawaiian breeze. Putting a bunch of this in there would be a helpful thing too. This is so faint. I mean, worst case, I could always get some of these at Walmart. I want like, you know, like vanilla. Baking soda, you can get it cheap. In fact, I have a whole bag of it downstairs. Okay. And I can just give it to you. You just put it in a bowl and put it in the wherever you end up putting it. In the bathroom. I'm gonna get one of each of these all-purpose cleaners. 6 feet. So get like 2 of them. Okay, now at Walmart, we basically just need to get everything for the cats. We need cat litter, cat treats, and cat food. I'm not seeing the cat food that they like. I always get it at Walmart. To get Imes, but Lily doesn't really like that. Maybe I'll get a Purina 1. I can't believe they don't have the one I usually get for them. Last stop, Sam's Club. Everything from Sam's. Last things that we're gonna get are some snacks for the road, and we're still trying to find the AC unit. And we're hoping that this isn't something like I have to order online because I kind of want the movers to move it for me because AC units are so heavy. Good morning. We are just leaving to go pick up the truck, and then we're gonna start packing it up. Everything is packed, ready to go, except I have to wrap my TV, but that is the last thing we have to do, and everything will be done, and then we'll be on the road tomorrow. So today's definitely gonna be the worst part of the day, but I don't think it's gonna be that bad. Let's hope. Okay, a little bit of an update. It's currently noon. We actually went to go pick up the truck this morning, and they didn't have the truck we needed. We reserved a 12-foot truck from Budget, and we get there and all they had was a 16-foot. And so they're like, well, we thought it'd be fine to like upgrade. Normally people would take the upgrades. Like, no, I appreciate the upgrade, but we were like, A, I don't need that much space. And B, driving a 16-foot truck into Manhattan, absolutely not. Then they had like maybe some cargo vans, but then I was like, I don't know if everything's gonna fit in a cargo van. So we went to another Budget that the guy said that they should have something. We go there and the guy's like, we have absolutely not one thing for you. So we're like, screw it, let's go to U-Haul. And luckily U-Haul has a 10-foot truck, but it's not available till 2 p.m. And like I said, it's noon now, and this was about 10:30 this morning. So what we're doing is we came back to the condo, brought everything from the basement upstairs except for my mattress, so that when we go get the truck, we come back, we can just load it right away because it's also supposed to rain. Everything's already upstairs, good to go. That's pretty much the update. It's been a little crazy this morning, but at least we all figured it out, you know? And everything's upstairs, so I think it's gonna make the process super smooth and easy. And yeah, honestly, bringing everything upstairs, like the part I was looking forward to the least. So I'm glad that that's over. So this is the mattress that I need to bring up. There's a little Kins. Like, this was all full of my couch, my vanity, my drawer sets in the back. I'm not bringing this. And this is all stuff that I'm leaving here, or it was my mom's. So now I'm just going to start deep cleaning the bathroom. I'm going to run the vacuum here downstairs so that it's all good to go. So my mom doesn't have to worry about it when she comes, because like I said, she's coming to New York with me, and then she's flying from New York back to her house in Arizona. So she's not coming back here, and when she does come back here, I don't want to make her clean up anything. That's pretty much the update. So we got about 2 hours to clean, 2 hours to kind of regain our strength a bit before we go and do this all again and get the truck and load it up before the rain starts. All right, we have the truck, so let's start loading it up. Okay, we have the truck completely packed. It looks insane. Everything is in there, and we even have a little space for all of our stuff we'll need for tomorrow night.
I will see you guys tomorrow when we get on the road. We're doing an early morning. We're gonna try to leave about 7:30, 8 o'clock. Good morning, guys. It is just about 8 o'clock and we are just about to leave. I have the kitty cats right in here. They're doing pretty good. Lily's obviously like used to it because we've moved so many times. This is Ivy's 4th move, so I think that they're doing okay. I'm only updating you now because I wasn't feeling that great this morning. I was feeling kind of nauseous, so I'm feeling much better now, which is great. Like I said, it's about 8 o'clock right now. We're gonna get on the road. Hopefully everything will be good to go. Now we just have the drive and we'll be there. And luckily it's so nice that it's only gonna be a 1-day drive. Hello. 10:30. We have 7.5 hours left, so we're doing really well. Stopped at a Sheetz because my mom wanted to run to the restroom, and then we're just gonna top off the gas a little bit. Ivy pretty much just got into her car seat and has just been laying down. I don't know if she's like been sleeping necessarily, but she's just been laying down, having a, doing really good. I gave them a treat. Lily, on the other hand, very vocal. She's starting to like slow down a little bit now. Like, I think she's exhausted. Like, she needs to go to sleep. She's definitely getting tired for sure. Yeah, that's pretty much the update. Like I said, we have 7.5 hours. So if we don't stop again, we're still making good time at 6:15 p.m. But I'm sure we'll stop at least one more time. We had a little bit of rain for like 2 minutes and then it was good to go. But I think I'm gonna get out of here and just like stand for a little bit. But so far, everything is going really well. I don't know if you can hear me, but we just crossed the border into Pennsylvania and we're going to the restroom really quick and stretching our legs. And then I'm back on the road. 6 hours left. We are making our very last stop. We have about 2 hours left. We just stopped to fill up the truck one more time. We have to return the truck tomorrow at 7/8 full. Whatever that means. We might have to top it off tomorrow before we drop it off, but luckily the drop off is in a Shell station, so it should be okay. These have been doing pretty good. Ivy's pretty much just been sleeping. Lily's been a little in and out, and I know that they are gonna sleep so good tonight. Hey guys, so we just got into the hotel. It is currently 8 o'clock. We got some dinner. We got some Jimmy John's. I want to take all my clothes off. I want to get into some comfy clothes. I want to sit down. I want to eat. I'm so tired. Listen, it was just one day, tomorrow we'll be in the apartment and it's just one day. So because I'm so just over it, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. The cats are doing okay. Hopefully they're going to eat, they're going to drink, they're going to go to the bathroom. Ivy's a little scared, but I think she'll be okay in about 15-20 minutes. I'll see you guys tomorrow when we move everything in. Okay, so we are in the apartment. You guys, I'm so exhausted. I might have to give you a tour another time. I'll get some footage and maybe I'll do like a voiceover. I just can't. The movers got here right at 9 o'clock, pretty much like right when we did. They unloaded the truck in like an hour and a half. It was 2 guys, like they were flying. Definitely worth the money. I love the apartment. I'm so happy with it. Such great sunlight in the living room. I'm posting so much on shorts here, so you guys have probably seen the apartment already. If you guys enjoyed coming along with me on my moving vlog from Michigan to New York, make sure you subscribe and hit that like and subscribe. My brain is gone. So that you don't miss out on any of the content that I'm going to do for decorating. If you guys love moving content and you're just nosy how people decorate their apartment, because let me tell you, mine is not millennial gray. It's completely opposite of that. So I'm very excited to get some color in here because this is giving millennial gray. Not for me. We need some color, So I'm really excited about that. So I hope you guys follow along and subscribe so you can see all that moving content and just my life here in New York. But I love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.